Pawan, probably his biggest bout yet. And definitely looking eager to make an impression here in Greater Noida. Coming in with aggressive intentions, Pawan. Nur Sultan seems to have just adapted a little bit. Using that left jab of his, just make sure that Pawan is kept at an honest distance away from him. Plenty of movement from both boxers, so they will have to keep an eye out on the energy reserves as this bout goes on. But I like this from Pawan. He's looking to take the fight to his fancied opponent. Nur Sultan is swift. He's got some great punches of his own, which is why the best form of defense against such an opponent is attack. And that's what Pawan seems to be showing. Of course, what matters is how the judges see it. Mattering of home support for the Indian boxer. Just looking to rally behind man from the Indian Army. Been a good fight actually from Pawan, and will be very interesting to see how this one is seen by the judges. At this point, I would suggest that he's probably got a slender lead ahead of Nur Sultan. A wry smile from the Kazakh, possibly acknowledging that he has been caught a little unawares. Yet another good punch landed right on the nose. Really throwing those punches well, Pawan. Also defending quite astutely every time there's an attempt at a counter from Nur Sultan. Last 30 seconds of a first round, which I dare say has probably been shaded by the man in red. He has Nur Sultan on the ropes a couple of times. This has been a very good positive exhibition of boxing from what has been an entertaining first round with both boxers landing a few. Nur Sultan probably making a slightly brighter start, but as that round wore on, Pawan Barthwal growing in confidence and getting some good punches and also landing his opponent on the ropes a couple of times. If he can win the second round as well, at least win over 4 of the judges, that will put him in pole position to clinch a semi-final spot. Don't count out Nur Sultan. He will come all guns blazing. Pawan once again looking to push his opponent into a corner. Just the way that he raises the tempo in the middle of these rounds, that's been fascinating to see. It points to peak physical as well as mental conditioning for this Indian boxer. So much more than just a show of strength. It's also so much of canniness, so much of strategy, so much of intelligence, this whole sport. So far, Pawan has displayed all of those attributes against a high-quality opponent in Nur Sultan Altinbek of Kazakhstan. Now an attempt at a counter punch from Nur Sultan, trying to get some punches in. But Pawan's defense has been good as well. Now looking for the counter himself. Lands a couple of blows. With just over a minute to go, it would seem that he's beginning to shade this round as well. Great exhibition of boxing from Pawan Barthwal. And belly, Nur Sultan does land one left hook. What's also been quite pleasing is to see the kind of balance that Pawan Barthwal has. Using his feet to good effect. Keeps trying to box Nur Sultan into a corner and then takes advantage of his good reach. Lanky frame. Last 15 seconds. He's definitely done well. He has opened up a few wounds seemingly for Nur Sultan. Close to his lips. He's looking quite confident yet again that Pawan Barthwal swiftly changing from defense to offense and doing it so many times in this bout already. And indeed, some cheers from the crowds because they have just risen complete yet.
Final draw.
3 minutes yet to come. Nur Sultan will go for broke. Man who picked up the championship in Foz do Iguaçu in Brazil. During the first stage of the World Cup this year. He's got that pedigree, got several continental and global plaudits as well, but he's really being taken apart in this third round as well. What a great start from Pawan. Absolutely come out all guns blazing. Nur Sultan not sure about exactly what kind of strategy can help him come back into this contest. Been relentless from Pawan Barthwal. Speed of some of his punches have taken Nur Sultan Altinbek by surprise. Keeps his defense up, just drops his gloves and then lands a quick 1-2 on his opponent. A warning given to Nur Sultan, a sign that the second seed is rattled a bit by the performance from the Indian boxer. Remember, victory assures Pawan of a medal. The very least that he'll win is a bronze, but he'll want to go better. Minute left in this third round. Nur Sultan throwing everything he can at his opponent. Pawan must make sure that his defense is turned in these last few seconds. Got a little bit of an injury over his eye. Bout. Will it be stopped ahead of time? No, it isn't. Continues. Into the last 30 seconds now. The clock was stopped for that little medical timeout. Pawan Bartwal is making a massive statement here at the Shaheed Vijay Singh Pathak Sports Complex in Greater Noida. He's taken the fight to the second seed, and it does look like he's got the job done. It's like a mere formality before we know the verdict. But even in that third round, keeping the attack going against Altinbek, and the second-seeded Kazakh boxer was taken by surprise by the speed and the ferocity of the attack from his Indian opponent today.
By unanimous point decision in the red corner.
It's a unanimous verdict for Pawan Bartwal. Fantastic, fantastic boxing and great show of sporting spirit between the two boxers. Nursul